Today we're going to install aftermarket speakers in the front door of a 2008 Honda Civic. We've removed the door for demonstration purposes. We'll release the switch panel by prying on the rear with a non-marring tool. We'll need to release the wire harness by pressing in on the release tab. Next, we'll remove the screw that's hidden beneath the armrest. Normally there would be a small trim cover behind the door handle. In our case, the trim cover is missing, so we'll just need to remove the screw. Now we'll gently pry the door panel away from the door, starting at the bottom, working our way up the sides. We don't pry at the top. Once the bottom of the panel and the sides are separated from the door, we'll just lift it to remove it. For my demonstration, I've disconnected the door latch cables from the door panel. You may not find it necessary to do that. Be sure to remove any clips that stayed in the door when the panel was removed. We'll remove one screw to release the factory speaker. Gently pry on the top of the speaker to release and lift up. We'll disconnect the wiring by squeezing the plastic clips and pulling the plug off the speaker. Now is a good time to replace any damaged clips in the panel. For demonstration purposes, we have a cutaway of a door from another Honda Civic of the same generation. Here is a rear view of that same door cutaway. The bottom of the factory speaker is secured to the door by plastic tabs that hook to the backside of the sheet metal. In our case, one of the tabs is broken. The adapters that we will be using utilize metal fasteners instead of plastic tabs. Now we will mount our speaker adapter to the door. I've pre-installed the two lower fasteners into the adapters to make aligning the speaker adapters to the door easier. I will secure the aftermarket speaker to the adapters using sheet metal screws. We've completed installing our speaker. The door panel can be reinstalled in the reverse order that it was removed.